Hello friends. Today we are going to learn how to use email marketing to increase sales. How to use email marketing to increase sales. Email marketing is one of the most important and cost-effective channels in digital marketing that can help increase the sales via online platforms. Besides, email marketing helps digital marketers to express their communication with the help of images, screenshots, and text that can appeal the email reader to take action and create sales for the different business setups of different sizes. Here, emails, prepared by the digital marketers, are a one-page website template that has all kind of information a person looks into and help the customers to convince them and develop interests to put the products and services online. Such type of emails also create micro-conversions such as reading of the mails, following up the websites using the email links and saving the emails for further reviews as favorites or star marked. Hence, an effective email marketing develops an engagement level that leads to sales. Though, it is also observed that an email promoting products and services can also end up in spam or to any other folder that are not viewed by the email readers. To prevent it, there are some proven techniques and platforms to be used so that email lands in primary or promotional categories of the email service providers. These techniques are as follows. 1. Always check the spam score before sending an email. Emails use promotional content, and while doing so, they can easily fall in the trap of using those words and links that are considered spam by the email spam filters. In this regard, the email marketers should use those email platforms that provide email verification for spam and identify spam score for the mails being sent. For this purpose, it is the Send Blaster email application and MailChimp that provides such spam checking services. It is important if we want these mails not to go to the spam. 2. Never use the terms such as free, gifts in subject or title. Emails should use the persuasive content to make readers take call to action. These emails should not directly incite the readers with terms like gifts, free, and surprise gifts. These terms are not considered good and send mail to the spam box. 3. Prevent over-addition of links in the mail. An email marketer should refrain from excessive addition of the links to the different content of the email. So, hyperlinking should be done judiciously to make it more meaningful and helpful to the readers. It will make the email to be more readable quality and useful for the potential consumers, and spam score will also be at a minimum. 4. Always give the unsubscribe option in the mail. Emails should have the unsubscribe button in the email, because it will help customers move out of the mailing lists if they do not want to receive the mails in the future. It is important, because it limits the negativity developed in the readers and controls the annoyance as they go out of the list, and they will not receive the mails in the future unless they rejoin the list. 5. Keep sufficient text in the mail to convey the purpose of the mail. Sometimes, email service providers do not show the image and only show the text part of it. In such a scenario, an email with only image content will not be shown properly. As a result, emails will not be able to generate the sales or lead. Hence, putting a good amount of text will help readers know the purpose and objectives of the mail and let them take action and buy products. 6. Put conversational tone in emails. The marketers should use conversation way of putting the content so that it can develop a connection with the email readers. It is a good strategy, because it also directly answers the queries raised by the customers. 7. Prevent putting spam content in the mail. Email marketers should not put spam content, meaningless content, or any other content that is not useful to the readers. Such content, not adding value to the readers, can create more harm than the good. Readers can also make complaints to the email service providers, leading to the temporary or permanent suspension of the services. Besides, bad reputation will also be created. So, email marketers should be careful in email marketing. Above techniques will help increase the effectiveness of the emails to increase sales. To learn email marketing as a part of digital marketing training, you can follow here for more details. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.